Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Great for Green. Today we're going to talk about Title 24, or what's called the Green Building Title for the City of Los Angeles, which requires all new buildings to be graywater equipped for the landscape. Well, the first thing you need to do is how much water you're going to need for your landscape. So the way to do that calculation is take your total square footage of your landscape, times it by whatever the evaporation transpiration is for the month of July. You can see our website for a complete list of the different locations to find that number. Typically it's about 6 in Los Angeles. So square footage times a 6, that's how many inches of water is going to be required for the month, times 0.62, which is going to give you the total gallons for the month. Now divide that by the number of days, 31 days in July. That gives you your total gallons per day. So now you know how many gallons per day you need to generate to keep that landscape nice and lush. Now you have to figure out, where do I get all this water? You can collect water from the sinks, the bathroom sinks, but most likely you're going to run short. So the next easiest source is air conditioning condensation. Those units generated quite a bit of water. A typical 10-ton system is going to generate about 30 gallons of water, and a 100-ton is going to generate about 300 gallons of water. So that's on a daily basis. All that water is going to flow into what's called a graywater distribution tank, and then pass it on along into the aquifer pipe. The aquifer pipe is buried 12 inches below the ground, so every gallon of water is going to get better utilized because we eliminate the evaporation aspect of irrigation. Now you're future-proofing the landscape on times of severe drought where there's restrictions on water, as well as increases on prices. What's nice is that your net operating income is going to go up a little bit because your net expenses are going to go down because you're not spending as much money on drinkable water just to put on the landscape, and your sewer bill is going to go down because they always charge you for as much water that's coming in to go out to the sewer. It's a great way to save water, great way to meet your requirements, and also because we're equipment manufacturer, any of your staff can do the installs themselves. We're more than happy to teach them or watch some of our instruction videos. It's a little confusing, I know, so feel free to look down below for some links to our website to do those calculations, some worksheets. Think green.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a graywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.